Hello, welcome to this Commerzbank video and our outlook for next week's ECB meeting. At this meeting, the ECB will probably keep its key interest rates unchanged for the first time in more than a year. This is because economic indicators have weakened much more than the central bank had expected in its last forecast. As the inflation rate has also fallen further in recent months, the doubts on the ECB's Governing Council are likely to prevail and prevent a further interest rate hike. However, ECB President Lagarde will certainly leave the door wide open for further rate hikes at the press conference. Thus, she is likely to make the upcoming interest rate decision dependent on how the economic data develop. These are likely to turn out weak and to hint on the danger of recession. As the inflation rate is also likely to fall further, it is unlikely that there will be a majority again in the Governing Council in favor of an interest rate hike. The initially announced pause in interest rate hikes should therefore ultimately mean the end of the cycle. This is all the more true as the focus of discussion will quickly change under the impression of the weak economic data. By the beginning of 2024 at the latest, the focus will no longer be on interest rate hikes, but on the question of whether the ECB will cut rates again. The weak economy will certainly serve as an argument in favor of interest rate cuts. However, it will probably become increasingly clear from month to month that the inflation problem has not yet been solved. After all, with a sharp rise in wages, the service sector in particular is facing the next wave of costs, which is why companies will probably continue to raise their prices noticeably. As a consequence, the core rate is likely to remain well above 2%, which is why we do not expect the ECB to lower interest rates in the coming year.